Hello and welcome to another backing stock video. I'm Simon from Andover Norton. I'm here in the warehouse looking around to see what items are back in stock for your classic Norton motorcycles. So let's take a look and see what I managed to find this week. Okay, first up this week, part number 131946, the 4-coil 15W Castrol in a 500ml size, and that is £11 and 62 pence including VAT. Next we've got the filler cap service kit, that's part number 060681/RK, that's £37 and 74 pence including VAT. The rear mudguard stay sleeve, that's part number 032213, it's £11 and 94 pence including VAT. Something new for you, the Andover Norton baseball cap, that is part number NM Cap Anil, that is £14 and 95 pence including VAT. The oil priming tool for the 500, 600, 650 and 750 and 850 engines, that's part number 131622 and that is £28 and 92 pence including VAT. And finally this week, the side stand prop kit, that's part number 066357, is £113 and 34 pence including VAT. And if there's anything I've not mentioned this week but you'd like to know if it's available for your bike, you can check out the Andover Norton website, which is listed in the section below, along with all the parts that I've just mentioned as well, which you can click on and go and buy straight away. Right, thanks ever so much for watching, and until next time, safe riding.